Monster Jam, right?
That's my monster jam.
Monster Jam. Marsh Pit Monster Jam. Right?
Whoa.
Right, son?
Whoa.
Whoa, we gonna have
That's
us
so cool.
Right. Monster Jam. We gotta build us a monster pit with jumps. Yeah.
With jumps?
Yes.
I use a tiny.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to True Boys RC, and we got the new X-Maxx here. Man, this thing is awesome, guys. I can't wait to get into the box. So y'all stick around. We're gonna open this thing up. Man, this thing has some cool graphics. One side, and here goes the other side. Wow, check that out, guys. Alright, guys, we got some cool upgrades on this. The new VXL 8S power system, and you have a max duty drivetrain. Then you have the torque basin center drive. Then you have the dual fan cool motor, and you have a wheelie bar. Check that out, guys. Your manual and some tools and some extra battery guards. We also have your standard TQI remote with Traxxas link. Come on, trying to hurry up and get this out the box. Man, I'm excited, guys. Hope y'all excited about this one. Whoa, this thing is massive, guys. Wish you could see it in person, man. Cool, look at that. Awesome wheels. Get this plastic off. Get out of here. Man, look at that. X-Maxx. Let's go, baby. Alright, let's cut these off right quick. Bam! The other side. Boom. Alright, look at that, y'all. That thing is a monster. Alright, let's check out the motor and the ESC. Oh man, look at those beefy tires. And that blue and black just setting it off. Oh, this thing nice. That red, okay. The wheelie bar. Okay, we're finna do some damage. Look at that. Easy access, guys. Easy. Twist, turn, pull. Let's go. Look at that motor and that ESC. Ooh. Ah. Let's go. Look at those shots. Man, I can't wait to upgrade you, man. Ooh, check out that fan, guys. Velineon. Brushless. 8S. We finna tear up some dirt, some asphalt, everything. Look at that bumper. Okay. Yes, sir. True Boys RC, we finna get it, boy. I'm telling you. Man, y'all did a great job with this Traxxas. It's one of my favorite trucks. Alright, right here, we finna test out these shocks. A little thicker or give it some little. Yeah, that's great though. Check that out. Overview. Looking good. So that's my X-Maxx. Hope y'all enjoy it. Stay tuned to True Boys RC. More videos coming in the future. Peace.